Hello folks, salam, namaste, sasrikar, zdravstvuyte. Alright guys, today I will be talking about myself, introducing myself and my YouTube channel AriaVision. So my name is Ahmed. I'm not only a YouTuber, but in daily life I'm working as IT support engineer for one company where we have around 35,000 employees, but at my current location we have around 400 people. So excuse me. AriaVision, my YouTube channel was created in October 2019, but AriaVision was born back in 2005 when I created a website for one of my friends. He's Afghan singer, so he came to me that Ahmad, can you please create me a website? So on that time I created his website, and then I was thinking that okay, I need to create my own website as well, and that was the time when AriaVision was born in back 2005. So from that time I used AriaVision for several times. I had around 20 customers, but as we all know that web designing is kind of at the time is now ending, so because you're getting a lot of from a lot of hosting companies, you're getting a design package for free, so you can just do it these days by yourself. But I still like to do some web designing as well, especially for that my friend who is actually like my brother, Mr. Najim Negzat. I am still his web developer since 2005, and recently I updated his website again with some new technology. So I will leave the link to his website below, so just look his website and give a comment on this video. You can just give your comment about his website. Alright, so let's talk about AriaVision. So AriaVision YouTube channel. So YouTube channel of AriaVision, it's not only giving some tips and tricks, but we also getting some gadgets from some of the sponsors. I got here some of the shops which I know they giving me some gadgets for free, and then I can just give some tech reviews about them. Test them and give them some tech reviews. I got at the moment I have some gadgets here that I still need to test them and then give my tech review about them. So guys, thank you to you guys for providing me with some gadgets. So I'm getting questions that what gadgets I'm using for my YouTube channel. So let's start from my gaming monitor, which is Acer model Key G27H with 1 second response time. It is 144 Hz. There's the resolution, or it's gaming monitor. And then next to it I got my gaming laptop, which is actually I'm also using for my to create my Windows for my Windows tips. I'm using that laptop. That is Asus ROG G752, so 752 is the model, with 32 GB RAM, 1 TB hard drive, 512 SSD drive, and video card is at NVIDIA 1070 with 8 GB RAM on it. And then the next is actually my MacBook Pro i9 model 2019. So I'm using that baby actually for my video editing. So the current video which you guys seeing it, I'm editing with this beauty. So I just love this Mac, you know, with what you can do with Windows operating system, the editing that you're doing with the Windows operating system. Maybe it takes 1 hour or 2 hours, but with this Mac is like in 5 minutes it's done. So that's the reason that I purchased that Mac, and I just love them. And then for my daily use, I'm using HP G2840, which recently was upgraded to 512 Samsung 8040 SSD, and also 32 GB RAM on it. So I pushed them on all limits shortly, so it will be upgraded with 512 MSAT as well. So to keep watching, I will be shortly upgrading that laptop as well. And then I got for some presentation, if I need to do at work, or if I need to shot some videos outside, then I'm using actually that Asus detachable tablet. So it's quite amazing piece. When I purchased that one on second day, I just dropped them and I broke the screen. But luckily, I found the screen on internet on Amazon, and actually I repaired it on myself. So you said cannot see anything on it. So it's amazing piece of stuff. Alright guys, so that was short about myself. I will especially thanks my subscribers, my first 67 subscribers actually, that from first week when I joined YouTube, the following me and always liking my videos and giving comment on my videos. So guys, if you got any question, please leave comment below, and I will try to I will answer you guys. And if you have any question about if you have any technical challenges, please leave comment and I will try to help you guys. So once again, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please leave comment, like my videos, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much and have a nice evening. Bye.